Ugh. Rara, Rara, look. Rara.
Oh my god, that is so slimy, Rara.
I will put a jelly water bottle.
Shh, no.
What are you doing, Bingo?
Kira, your nose is so dirty. Can you wipe your nose? Come on. Go get it wet wipes.
This is gross.
Boogers! What are you talking about, boogers?
Use the cover. Oh my god.
Ew, yucky.
Let me.
Oh my god. Nana, what are you doing?
Ew.
Why you guys like slime?
Why are you using PS Kids? Bubble, bubble, bubble.
Nana, what are you doing? Don't put it in your dress.
Ew. Oh my god. It's so slimy.
Don't put that in your hair, Jenna. Remember the last time? Mom, help me. What's that sound? Farts. It has farts?
Yeah.
Kira, guess what? It's weekend. Kira, get your wet tissue. Get good for her white tissue, babe.
Let me see, Rara.
So dirty. Her nose is so dirty.
Bingo, lick her nose.
Why?
It's
Rara.
a
Let me see. You're still sick so much, Rara.
Mine is donut.
Ooh, why are you licking? You're gross right now. Here's your.
It's a donut. Fun,
Here,
donut.
tissue. Don't rub it because it's hard one. Nana, what do you have?
Orange slime.
Orange slime.
I got blue slime. I blew the clouds in the sky.